Here we are at Tennessee Valley Authority, Kingston, Tennessee power plant. We've connected the 24-volt DC flexible conduit to the solar panel. We've got a remote control. You can see the red light flashing, which means it's on. And 1, 2, 3 have different times for different truck fills. Green is for powering on the pennant, red is for powering off the pennant, and number 4 is for shutting down the power. We've got a selector switch. If we put it in hand, we can automatically start the system. You can hear the pump just turning on. To turn it off, we simply hit auto. We could have also used the e-stop to shut off the pump. It goes in and out, so I'll leave it out. It should remain an auto for the most part. We've got the control box, which is being powered by 2 24-volt DC marine batteries, heavy duty, and of course a solar powered panel keeps them charged. The unit is facing south to get best use of the sun. We've installed the fuse in the battery, so we're ready to operate. I'm going to hit the button for start. Let's turn the power back on. Here we go. And then we can hit off for number 4. And we turn it off. And that's all there is to it.